What is up, you guys? We are back with another episode. As I'm walking outside, I'm going to show you we got Zacks C10 all buttoned up, guys. So we did new wheels, new tires, front and rear. We did a shortbed conversion. We 4-linked it. What else? Put a panhard bar in it. Shortbed conversion as well. That's the bedsides, the chassis. Shorten the drive shaft. We converted to disc brakes all the way around, you guys. Got everything aligned. We did new control arms, new spindles, coilovers front, coilovers rear. And yeah, I just got done taking her for a little drive. I'll put that clip possibly in the video. But yeah, guys, this thing is pretty dialed. So the goal was make it a lot more reliable for Zack, and I think we accomplished that, you guys. This thing looks pretty slick. From here, it's off to get a paint quote. There is some paint damage that was found in our process. So from there, guys, he's just gonna go ahead and get a quote on having the whole thing repainted. We're actually gonna do a whole new box because there is some rust that's probably beyond repair in the bed. And I think that's ultimately going to be his best option, is to go ahead and just replace it. So that's the bed's on order. That'll probably be here in the next week or two. There's my 64 back there, guys. Got that thing coming back into the shop soon for some fixes and finish up tweaking that thing so we can cruise that around and show everybody that. And that thing will actually be up for sale here in the next coming weeks. So I got a show in October in Tucson with that truck, but then it's all free game, guys. So let me spin you around. I'll walk you through the shop and show you what else is going on in the shop and what we got going on over the next couple of weeks. So give me 1 second, guys. All right, guys, so now back in the shop. We got a little bit of space, as you can see, finally getting some stuff out. We got Jim's, I think this is a 51 Chevy. I'm not sure. I think 49 or 51. I'll have to ask him to confirm. But this thing is going to get a ton of work, you guys. We're doing custom firewall, toe boards. We're doing a full floor pan in this. We're repairing a lot of rust. The outer cowl is going to get replaced. The inner cowl cab corners are getting replaced. I just shaved the door filler. I'm going to start shaving some of the rest of the stuff. It's already sitting on a S10 chassis on a full Ride Tech kit with air suspension as well. It's got Willwood brakes on it. But here's a big area that we're going to have a problem with, that we're going to need to remake or buy a replacement roof. Is that area is pretty bad, you guys. Let me get you zoomed in on that. Just pretty beat up. So, and then as you guys can tell, as you look inside, we got some Swiss cheese. But like I said, we got a bunch of replacement panels. I got to get a couple of things ordered. We're gonna go ahead and fix this whole area right here. Fix all this on the windshield, as well as inner cowl piece, outer cowl piece, and then a bunch of other stuff. So we'll be pretty much finishing this build up for Jim. So stay tuned on that. That thing looks pretty cool. It's gonna be awesome. I did some cool bead rolling on that. And then we got Jason over here. Let me unveil. This one is one that we've been working on for a while, guys. I know you guys have all seen this before. I've done some videos on it. So we added some tube to shrink the width of the hatch. We thought it was just a little bit wide, and where the Porta-Built raised bed brackets are, I wanted these tubes to fall on top of where they're gonna mount to. So I went ahead and added that material. I got it all cleaned up. I got the back all dialed in. We're getting a new tail panel, so that way I can finally weld in all these bars that go across the back, and that'll be completely done. What else? Let's see. I got, as you guys know, we got the trans tunnel done already. I did a little radio pocket in there for him. We need to go ahead and start mocking up all of the Resto Mod Air, cutting all of our vents. As you can see, we have some holes marked. And yeah, start getting all that dialed in. We've also got, let me go back to the other side so you can see a little better and I get a little more space. We've got the Heart Fab tubs grafted into the fenders. So we'll go ahead and clean those bad boys up. And then those will be good. Nice, clean, tight gaps, you guys. Everything looks solid. We're gonna go ahead and make some fillers for this corner as well as this corner back here, some little beater rolled area. So that'll be the next adventure in this thing, as well as continuing on the bed, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on making the hatch and our hinge design. So that'll be the next course of action over the next couple of days. We still have a ton of stuff to do on this, the whole back panel with the Heart Fab filler pocket in it. Everything pretty much Heart Fab on this, guys. Tubs, front tubs, the back pocket, all of that, guys. We got the actuators from Chuck C going in for this as well. And yeah, we got Martin's step side up on the lift, ready for that to take some action whenever he gets ready. And then Anthony's been working on this aluminum tank that we got here. This is for a client of mine, my old landlord. He's got an old Jeep that he wants an aluminum tank for, so Anthony's been working on killing that, you guys. Other than that, not a whole lot. We got a couple of projects that are going to be coming in the next coming weeks, but one of the big issues I'm going to work on this weekend, guys, is these damn lights. They've been kicking my ass, so I'm going to work on those this weekend, try and see what I can do about some of these lights up in here. And yeah, that's really all I got for you guys this week. It's been a productive week. We've been getting a lot of stuff done and a lot more stuff coming, so make sure you guys go check it out. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. There's Anthony. And one last shot of Zacks C10, guys. Enjoy. Have a good weekend.